Here is how you connect your miroT. Find the miroT slot on your Miro appliance, then connect it accordingly. Go to the Miro Smart Home mobile app and press the plus sign on the top left corner. Go through the prompts to connect your miroT. Click the Wi-Fi network you would like to connect to. Please make sure you have 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi available. Put in your Wi-Fi password to connect your miroT to the Wi-Fi network. Put in a name for your appliance. Make sure it is easily recognizable. Create or select a room that your appliance is located in. Your appliance is now connected. If your app is not refreshing, restart the app. You can use the app to change settings on your appliance. We will demonstrate some features now. Smart, powerful, clean. Miro.